This is the rubber strap that you use to fit the mirror on top of your rear view mirror on your car. Super easy. Amazing design, very crafted. Power in SD card, which I had to buy it separately, but worth spending. Just got it for $8 from Amazon. Not worth spending that in case if you get into an accident or something, records it for you. Audio, video, power input. This is for GPS, my bad, sorry. The camera. This is the power button. Press and hold it, turn on. For the back of your car, where the camera goes. I had to open it already because of the COVID. I opened it a few days ago, but then I sanitized everything and put it back. So this is a strap for the mirror wrap. This is what goes into your car's outlet. It's a long cable. Can easily go all the way up to the mirror, and this thing goes right into the power here, and you can keep it on the back like that so it doesn't come in between. The antenna goes into the outlet, goes into the GPS here. Then it's simply a sticker. You pull it off and put it on top of your roof or in front of the windshield glass. This is the extra strap that you get with it. So this is the camera. It comes with a long cable that goes from all the way to the back. It comes tested. You can see the mark here. This fits right on top of your number plate on the back. So I'm going to try and install it outside, and yeah, it's good to go. It looks good. Super easy to fit.